So the first step to builder gel is to decide if you are going to extend your natural nail or keep it as just an overlay. Either way, you are going to need gel base coat, gel top coat. You will need a builder gel. We are using Ritzy Dips Clear. You'll need a protein bond, some type of bond to keep it adhered to your nail, and also a nail form if you want to extend. Now we are going to start with a 100-180 grit file. We're going to bring down our free edge just a little bit. I am going to be extending my natural nail. You also want to rough up your natural nail just a little bit. That way when you put the bond on, like I am about to do, it will help it stick to the nail. So we're going to fully saturate the nail. So we've got that on there, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the nail form. Since I am extending my natural nail, you will want to use these nail forms. These are sold in a set of 200 on Ritzy Dip's website. And what you're going to want to do is pop out that little insert and put it on the back of the sticker. This will help build stability when you are putting this form on your nail. Now you can see I do have a crack in my natural nail, and this builder gel is going to help keep that crack all put together so that it's not going to break off halfway up my nail. I have very brittle nails, and this builder gel really does help. So that side shot is going to show you how the nail lays flat with the form. You do want it to be flush with the form. That way you do not get builder gel underneath your natural nail. I'm going to tuck in the sides around my nail along that side wall, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply gel base coat to the entire nail. I even bring the gel base coat out onto the form just a little bit, and then you want to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. Next, we're going to go ahead and get the builder gel. This gel is a much thicker consistency. It is meant to be that way. It is going to help extend out your natural nail or provide some strength to your nail in between manicures. So I'm going to start by dabbing it right around my free edge to build out a little bit. You kind of have to like put it down and move it around a little bit. I start with my free edge, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring it up closer to my cuticle, as you can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch what I'm doing. And as you are bringing it down closer to your free edge, this product is very easy to work with. It is self-leveling, which means even though it looks like it may be bumpy, it will level out on its own. So as I get that first layer on there, you can see right here from the side, it has a little, you can see the extension off the free edge. The best thing to do is to turn your nail upside down and kind of, you can keep it there. I give it a little bit of a shake. That'll help build the apex naturally on your nail. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds with my nail lamp. And then we're going to do one more layer. You can do as many as you want. Just know that the more you do, the thicker it's going to be. So just depends on personal preference. So I'm going to go ahead and do this second layer. I start at my free edge again, building that out, because if I'm extending, I want to make sure that my free edge is going to be strong enough. So I am going to push it back up towards my cuticle, make sure that I have a good full coat there. I will also flip it upside down again to give it a little shake, building that apex naturally. And then we're going to cure it again for 30 to 60 seconds. Once we are done with that, we are going to go ahead and wipe the sticky layer off with rubbing alcohol. I do it with the nail form on. It kind of helps remove the nail form. And then when you're ready to take the form off, you just kind of pinch underneath the builder gel itself, pull it down, and then there's this perforation here. You can just rip it off and remove the form. This is what you're going to be left with. It's going to look a little crazy, and that is normal. We are going to file and shape them, bring down, you can shape it to whatever shape you want. You can bring it down closer to your natural nail, which is what I'm going to do. And you're going to just shape it and get it to whatever shape and style you want it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and you guys can just watch me as I do it. All right, so now that I have my sidewalls all shaped and my free edge and kind of the, the shape that I'm wanting, I do need to go ahead and buff or file the top of my nail. This is not going to damage your natural nail. You're literally just buffing down the builder gel that you put on there. You kind of want to go until you're done seeing those like shiny pieces that are showing through. I tried to show it a little bit, but you're going to go ahead and keep filing the top of it so that it's an even layer. There should be no shiny looking divots in your nail. It should all be one seamless, natural looking nail. And then the very last thing I like to do before, putting the gel base and gel top coat on is to use the sponge file to really buff that builder gel. It will make it look like a natural nail. Look at that. All of my nails, they look so natural. Those are not my natural nails. Most of those are add-ons with the builder gel extension. So I always find that's very helpful. And then the last couple things we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and put a layer of gel base coat on. You do need this gel base coat to help your top coat stick. So gel base coat, you're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. And then you're going to do a layer of gel top coat. Okay, the top coat is going to help, especially if you're using peel base or even just dipping over this, or even if you're going to keep these as is without dipping over them. And so this is what you are left with, a beautiful nail. So now we're going to wrap it up with our cuticle oil to bring moisture back to our cuticles. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please drop them below. Thank you. Bye.